Today in crypto. A fledgling blockchain-based game project called Illuvium has already managed to attract support from major industry backers, a development owed in part to the fact that Illuvium co-founders Kieran and Aaron Warwick are the brothers of Kain Warwick, the co-founder of Decentralized finance, DeFi, platform Synthetix. In a tweet on Friday, Kain announced that after 2 years of pressure, his brothers were revealing to the world a blockchain-based game. Continue reading on Coin Telegraph. An interpretative letter issued by the Office of the Controller of the Currency, OCC, could accelerate the adoption of cryptocurrency and blockchain-based payments in the United States. According to the OCC on Monday, regulated banks in the United States can leverage stablecoins as well as participate as nodes on blockchain networks to make, store and validate payments. In the Federal Bank and Regulators Interpretive Letter, the OCC confirmed that federally regulated banks could participate in blockchain networks known as Independent Node Verification Networks, INVNs, and use stablecoins. However, any banks that do participate as a validator on an INVN must ensure they are aware of the operational, compliance, or fraud risks when doing so. Per the interpretative letter, a national bank or federal savings association may validate, store, and record payments transactions by serving as a node on an INVN, Independent Node Verification Network. Likewise, a bank may use INVNs and related stablecoins to carry out other permissible payment activities. The OCC said INVNs and DLT technology may be more resilient than other payment networks due to a large number of validator nodes needed to verify transactions, creating a more tamper-proof and transparent network. Acting Controller of the Currency Brian Brooks, a former Coinbase executive, said in a press release that the move is about leveraging the cryptocurrency industry to keep pace, as he argues the United States has too long relied on the private sector for innovation. Brooks said, while governments in other countries have built real-time payment systems, the United States has relied on our innovation sector to deliver real-time payments technologies. On the announcement by the OCC, Jeremy Allaire, co-founder and CEO of Circle, tweeted, "This is a huge win for crypto and stablecoins." Circle is the operator of the USDC stablecoin, pegged 1-to-1 with the dollar. Allaire added, "We are on a path towards all major economic activity being executed on-chain. It is tremendous to see such forward-thinking support from the largest regulator of national banks in the United States." Brian Brooks, controller of the cryptocurrency, a former Coinbase employee, acting controller of the currency. Brian Brooks has overseen the publication of 2 other interpretative letters and has made a number of crypto-friendly moves. Last month, Brooks publicly supported a letter by the President's Working Group on Financial Markets that outlined how stablecoins should be regulated within the United States. President Donald Trump has twice nominated Brooks to serve a full 5-year term heading up the agency. However, Brooks still awaits confirmation in the Senate, which appears unlikely to occur before President Trump leaves office later this month. Ethereum has surged past $1,000. Following Bitcoin's footsteps to wrap up 2020 nicely. Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, have both rallied bullishly in 2020, mirroring their bull run of 2017. At the time of writing, Ethereum has kept up its bullish momentum, trading around $1,086 and up 12% in the last 24 hours. Currently, its market cap is valued at more than $100 billion. However, although Ethereum surged to a 3-year high and even broke past $1,100, a growing concern has also been addressed by the cryptocurrency community. With the rise in Ethereum's price, a spike in transaction fees has been observed on the network. Since January 1st, Ethereum gas fees have risen by almost 400%. Ethereum gas fees, or refers to the price it costs for a transaction to be validated on the Ethereum blockchain. According to data analytics BitInfo charts, Ethereum's gas spiked to record its 3rd highest level ever. In order for a transaction to be processed on Ethereum, users must pay around $11 in fees. Congestion on the Ethereum network. This is rather alarming. as it may mean that the Ethereum ecosystem may be congested with transactions waiting to be processed. Additionally, the prices may be too high for the average user on Ethereum, so they must either accept the long delays or pay an inflated transaction fee, as most decentralized finance (DeFi) protocols run on Ethereum's network. Industry experts have previously questioned whether the Ethereum blockchain infrastructure could sustain the DeFi boom in the long run. Tushar Jain, a managing partner at Multicoin Capital, explained, "Ethereum is suffering from anti-network effects. Each new user makes the system less usable for other users by crowding them out. For example, it currently costs $100 in gas to trade on Uniswap. Simply sending some ETH around costs $10. DeFi has outgrown Ethereum," Madi Greenspan echoed Jain, saying, "OMG, Ethereum transactions are more than $7 a pop. How will people be able to afford a cup of coffee in the third world?" High gas fees deter Aavegotchi from launching mainnet following the spike in gas fees. Aavegotchi DeFi project announced that it will delay the launch of its mainnet for its non-fungible token, NFT, digital collectible game. Aavegotchi explained that the high gas costs and the extreme volatility on Ethereum have caused the DeFi project to postpone the launch of its game. As an alternative, it is considering migrating to the Matic network, a secure L2 sidechain. If Ethereum's rise in gas fees is not addressed and solved on ETH 2.0, DeFi developers may increasingly shop for other platforms to host their dApps. Ethereum 2.0 mainnet in the works currently. The first building block of the new Ethereum 2.0 mainnet is being developed and features a beacon chain. Ethereum wishes to transition to a proof-of-stake protocol with its new mainnet. Should that be worked out, the team assures that there will be an improvement in the scalability of transactions, namely the amount of time it takes the network to process one. Previously, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin had also suggested that transaction fees will go down on the new blockchain ecosystem. Decentralized finance project Aavegotchi is pushing back the mainnet launch of its non-fungible token digital collectible game due to high activity on the Ethereum blockchain. According to a tweet from its team today, Aavegotchi will be postponing the January 4 launch of its game in response to the insanely high gas costs and extreme volatility on Ethereum. The project also stated it will most likely migrate to the Matic network, a smart contract platform and layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. Continue reading on Coin Telegraph. There are many investors feeling validated in the cryptocurrency market now that Bitcoin's price has established a new all-time high of $34,778. The last time Bitcoin, BTC, traded anywhere near this level was during the bull run of 2017, when it reached a peak of about $19,783. Even the mainstream media took notice, including the New York Times, which observed that the current rally had a very different feel to it than the last time around. Joshua Harrison is a London-based entrepreneur and crypto investor. He is the co-founder of Harrison & Keen Trade, a cryptocurrency trading and forecasting firm. Harrison is also active in the digital payments space, where he advises entrepreneurs on their market rollout and compliance strategies. Continue reading on Coin Telegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.